من زمان قبل طيران.
Good morning guys, and welcome back to a whole new video from Tunisia, from Sousse. So I just want to say I apologize to you guys because I didn't post any video this last 2 months. I will tell you what's happened to me. You know, like in Algeria, everyone you need to go to army. I think it's in every country, I'm not sure. They send me to go to army, and I cannot go out from Algeria, or I cannot go even out from my home, because if they catch me, I'll go directly to jail, and after jail I will go to finish my army. So I decided to go by myself to Algerian army, and I stayed there almost 1 month, and it was really my bad days. You know, like in army, it's not, you don't have a freedom. It's not like at your home. So thanks God they don't accept me because it was full. And so yeah, we are out. We come to Tunisia to chill, to relax. I want to show you the view from my balcony before we start exploring Sousse, because I'm exactly in Sousse. I'm in the hotel called the Hotel Royal Beach. I'm gonna show you the room because it's early. It's 5:30 p.m. and my friend, he's still sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. So I will wait him until he wake up, and I'm gonna show you the room. I'm gonna show you the breakfast, because last night we arrived. It was a really long journey because we come from my city to here. It took around 11 hours by car. And the problem in the border, you know what? I don't know why they stop us almost 3 hours. We have like everything like regular, like everything like good. We don't have a problem, but I don't know why they stop us like almost 3 hours. Because I know why. If you ask all Algerian people, they will tell you exactly. Tunisian police only exactly, not all of them, but in the border, almost half of them, they want to give them a bribe. You can left you to can, you know what I mean. You know, I don't want to speak about that because I don't want to have a problems. But anyway guys, I want to show you the view before my friend he wake up. And check it out, this is the view. Actually last night I was thinking to swim in this beautiful beach, but it was so cold, and I don't want to risk, because when I come from my home I was really like tired. I have a pain on my head. But anyway, we come to Tunisia, we will stay strong. Even last night I didn't record nothing because I arrived a day like I walk outside, and I was in a party last night because I was out alone. And I found some girls from Tunisia. We start to speak, and they are good. They invite me like for drink, and we go to drink, and we go to start to speaking, and so yeah, it's good. I have a good time. I had a good time last night. I'm gonna show you the room, how it's look. Check it out. So we have a room. My friend is inside. Shut up. We have 2 beds. So we have I don't know how it's called, this one. It's like it look like a table, another mirror. We don't have a TV. Actually, when I be in hotel, I never turn on TV because most of the time I'm outside. And this room, it's cost me 90 dinar. It's around like 28 bucks. It's cheap, but the problem, Wi-Fi. We don't have Wi-Fi in this room. You need to go out in the reception till you can have a Wi-Fi. That's the first problem. And about the bed, it's comfy. Check it out. Oop. Bed, it's comfy. And the pillow also it's comfy. To be honest with you, it's clean. Like 90 dinar, 90 dinar. It's cheap and it's clean. So yeah. So now we are going to Sousse center. We're gonna explore. We're gonna buy some souvenir. We're gonna try traditional food maybe, because we eat breakfast and it was for me it was okay, but coffee with milk I don't like. Actually, I don't like to drink coffee. I'm not a big fan of coffee. So now let's go to Sousse center. Bonjour. كيما سيدي بسعيد هذه. Oh, look at that. From leather.
Black jacket.
It's from leather.
Yeah, fabric.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Ah, fabric. Okay, after we'll come to look. After, not now.
Just look, you can buy now.
After, because now I need to go to Italy and I will come
They
back.
give you a visa card, please.
Okay, if you give me a visa card.
Yeah.
But maybe you can come after. Because now I need to go. I don't have a time. Sorry.
Okay,
Okay, later we'll come. Thank you so much. So thank you. Of course I will not buy because I'm not that person like interesting like to buy some expensive things from leather. I don't need it. But anyways, check it out. Oh, you can find everything here.
بالعربي تدفع قيمة توانسة.
اوكي تمام.
الجزائر.
اي جزائري. شكرا.
اوكي ها صباح
اوكي شكرا. Ticket. It costs 10 dinar to two person. It's good price. Check it out. How it look inside. Wow, it's amazing. We're going up. It's a little bit dark here. But anyways, let's keep walking. Finally. We made it. Check it out. Look at this beautiful view. Wow, amazing. Finally guys, I find salami. What I was looking long time in Algeria and I didn't find it. Last time when I eat it, I was in Tunisia, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and I'm really happy. It's not like same like in Bosnia, but for me like it's good. I like, but my friend he tried but he don't like. So we made it to another hotel. But this hotel is look nice, not bad. This is the VAC, this is the toilet. First let's see if it's clean or no. It's clean. We have a 2 paper toilet. It's okay, not bad. So we have a wardrobe, another mirror. Oh, this is the bedroom. Okay. We have a 2 soap, shampoo, 2 glasses. Okay, water and another sabon. Oh, this is like it's my first time to use it. We have a bath, and also it looks like a tradition. Look at that. Not bad. We have a table. We have a TV. We have a 3 beds. I will show you the view right now. How to open that? Wow, this is the view. Fuck. I was expecting view like anyway, check it out. Not bad for 52 bucks per day. It's not bad. So now let's go to swim right now. This is how it looks from outside. There is swimming pool and private beach. There is another pool inside. This is inside and this is outside. So it's time to swim here. Look at that. It looks fancy. Wow, it's super hot.